Do you frequently have stuffy nose and a bit of headache? Sometimes it's because the maxillary sinus is blocked. It could happen to your patient or maybe your own child. What would you do? What if there was some natural method for you to drain the sinuses? Every time when you grind your teeth, jaw deviation, so notice some of these bones here start shifting. So there's some subluxation in some of these bones here. When you grind your teeth long enough, there'll also be deviation in here. So what are you going to do to realign your thyroid cartilage or Adam's apple?
Introducing our secret agent all the way from the UK. Dr. David Lintonbon has 35 years experience as an osteopath. He will be sharing practical techniques that you can use effectively. Milking, facial bones work, specific intraoral techniques, quick resets. Save the date for the jaw pain and headache masterclass, April 20th to 22nd, Thursday to Saturday in Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. Register now.